Alright, good morning YouTube. This is a quick sneak peek at a 2019 Wolf Pup limited edition. It is the made by Forest River, the 1820. This is brand new from the manufacturer. I transport these to the dealerships, so this is just a sneak peek. Remember, it's going to be a little bit on the not as clean side as what you would see it at the dealership. Already opened the door. There's the steps. And this is the inside. You got your front bed. Nice shelves up above. You can see there's, maybe you can, a handle down here. This bed lifts up, so you've got storage under there. Has one slide out. This is a bunkhouse. So here's your bunk above the couch. Then you've got the couch. It has light up drink holders here. And this is one that's not lit, and then you push the button, it's lit up. This folds up, and then this couch will make into a bed as well. Then you've got the dining set, which also makes into a bed. This is with it all down. Got a nice imitation rock wall. This is where your TV would go. Then you've got the bathroom. Decent sized toilet. You got a skylight with a fan up there. And a shower with a tub combo. Kind of small, but you can fit. This is our kitchen fridge. Maybe I'll get the door open. There's the inside of the fridge and the inside of the freezer. It's pretty deep. It's got the automatic temperature control. It has the microwave. Got your fan and light. Only got a 2-burner stove. This is only 18 foot. This is your little furnace unit. This is for your tanks, your controls, your sink. Got a little bit of cabinet storage up here. Got your stereo system. And then under the sink, you've got some storage, easy access to your pipes, and extra storage down here. And that's it. Your controls are over here. Has a electric awning. This is your lights. And then for your slide room. And then you have your heat and air unit up in the top. So if you like this or think you want to see one in person, check out your local dealership and ask for the Wolf Pup This is their limited package. So be sure to like and share. We'll add videos as we get them. And again, this was made by Wolf Pup Rv. And it is the 1820, a sneak peek before the dealer even gets it. Thanks. Have a good day, guys.